in St. Peter's Square in the Vatican. We'll be following up on that developing story. But moving on, back to the country, Kiambu Governor Kimani Wamatangi has dismissed claims that his administration owes healthcare workers salary arrears. Now, speaking during a nurses event, Wamatangi said salaries were paid up to March and April payments had already been approved, blaming the delay on expenditure clearance by the controller of budget. He accused the selection of elected leaders in the county of inciting health workers for political gain.
Thank you very much. Your presence, in your presence.
But I have no intention and I have no benefit at all to make the life of any of my colleagues in any department or working difficult or to make your working conditions unfavorable. I have no benefit. I am a better beneficiary when I have a better and forward-looking workforce that is feeling good about the work that they are doing.
Bed capacity revived, and we are all over 90% of those projects, and we are adding those 700 beds before the end of the year, Your Excellency. We also done new projects, and by the time we are through the projects that you've led us to do, Your Excellency, our bed capacity is moving to about 3,500. We really appreciate you, Your Excellency, because that is three times what we were involved with.
As we join the global community to celebrate the International Day of Nurses and Midwives, a day is set aside to recognize and uplift the vital role that nurses and midwives play in the health and the well-being of patients, of women, of newborns, of families, and even entire community.